Hi guys! Ayun, so dumating na ang aking in-order na Gcash Mastercard. Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Robbie and I'm creating contents na makakatulong para sa iyong Facebook business page or sa iyong online business. Kaya kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe ka na. For today's video, it's my first time to do content about Gcash. Kasi last December 20, 2022, it's last year, so umorder ako ng Gcash Mastercard through Gcash app. So para ma-share ko din sa inyo kung paano ko in-order o paano ako nag-apply for Gcash Mastercard at kung paano ko rin i-link itong Gcash card ko sa aking Gcash account. That's why gumawa ko nitong tutorial para makatulong din ako sa inyo. So, para maka-order ka ng Gcash Mastercard, just follow this tutorial. Watch the whole video. Okay, so the first thing to do is, syempre, open the Gcash app. Alright, so once you're here sa iyong Gcash account, click lang itong tatlong dots. Sa iba, siguro, show more, pero sa akin ito guys, view all. Ayan, click mo yan. So once you're here, scroll down ka lang guys. Hanapin mo yung cash out dito sa ibaba. So, click this. Sa pag-order ng Gcash Mastercard, you have two options. It's deliver or pick up. So, but sa aking account guys, hindi siya available yung pick up. So, as you can see, hindi siya maklik. Sa akin is deliver lang yung available. Iwan ko sa inyo kung baka available yung pick up niyo guys. And then, i-click lang itong deliver. Okay? Once you're here, so may pipil-upan ka. By the way, make sure you have sufficient balance in your Gcash wallet. As you can see, ang babayaran mo for Gcash card is 150 and then delivery fee is 65 pesos. So a total of 215 pesos. But make sure fully verified yung Gcash account mo bago ka maka-apply or maka-order ng Gcash ATM Mastercard. By the way guys, may mga location or address pala na non-serviceable nitong Gcash Mastercard. May mga place or mga location na hindi pwede. Walang courier para dyan. So, gagawin mo ngayon is fill up this form with your name, mobile number, and address. So, after mo ma-fill up yung form, may ma-receive kang ganito. You're ready now to pay 215 pesos para sa iyong Gcash Mastercard. So, click mo lang ito. Pay 215 pesos. Ayun. Ang dali lang guys. Iyon. Order successful. Click OK. And ayun, so na-minus na siya yung payment ko for the Gcash ATM Mastercard. Hi guys! Ayun, so dumating na ang aking in-order na Gcash Mastercard. Okay, so dineliver ito ng Ninja Van. In-order ko to last December 20, 2022. So last year pa. At dumating siya January 5, 2023. Sabi ng Gcash is 10 business days. May mga holidays kasi noon kasi may Christmas, New Year. So marami. Kaya ayun, medyo natagalan siya. Ayun, so dito na guys. So nagadikit siya guys. So ngayon, I'll show you naman kung paano i-link ang iyong Gcash Mastercard sa iyong Gcash account. Okay, go to your Gcash account. And then, tap the profile. Okay, as you can see below, may profile, so tap mo yan. And then, click My Linked Accounts. And then, choose Gcash Card. And then, itap mo ito, Link Physical Card. So, ito na. So, i-link na natin ang Gcash Mastercard. Okay, so type last 4 digits of the card. Alright, so ito namang virtual account number. So makikita mo yan sa likod ng iyong card. Nasa ibaba. May nakalagay virtual account number. So yan ang input mo dito. Okay, so i-double check mo lang para walang problema. Okay, so next, input your 6-digit card PIN. So ito yung gagamitin mo or ito ang PIN mo kung mag-withdraw ka gamit itong Gcash Mastercard. Congratulations! You can now use your Gcash card in all stores and ATM machines worldwide. And then click OK. By the way, you can add up to 3 Gcash Mastercards. The good thing kung meron kang Gcash Mastercard is less hassle na para sa iyo ang pag-withdraw ng iyong money sa Gcash. Dahil you can withdraw it anywhere as long as yung bank ay partnered with Mastercard. Sobrang okay rin itong Gcash Mastercard dahil low withdrawal fee. So makaka-save ka talaga. Alright, so that's all for today's tutorial. If you learned from this video, please paki-like naman and don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below kung nakatulong sa'yo ang videong ito. So thanks for watching, God bless, and enjoy life! See you next week! Bye!